Replicate any design using Canva in two ways. First, go to google.com and select a design you want to recreate. Download the design. Go to ChatGPT. Upload your design. Write a prompt here. You can even customize anything if you want. For example, I am changing the text. Check the description box for the prompt. Copy the result. Go to Canva. Click on AI. Select image. Paste the prompt here. Style will be smart and aspect ratio will be 16:9. Then click enter. Here are the results. Download the design you liked. Second method. Click here and upload your design. Paste the prompt here. Keep everything as it is. Then click enter. Here are the results. Subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.